Sajeta, Social Justice and Empowerment and Tribal Affairs Department has been delaying to publish the proposed draft on the offspring issue as stated by APSU President. Today we stand here at IG Park. The APSU has organized a protest rally from Akazeb till Indira Gandhi Park. Students from various schools and various student unions and associations has participated on this protest rally. As to inform you, the draft is in the matter of the offspring of APSC women and non-APSC fathers who are enjoying the ST benefits in the state as highlighted by the APSU. The union also demands legal punishment for the officers who has been issuing APST certificates to the non-APST children. So here's the report.
Good afternoon to all of you. Now it's customary to give a word of thanks.
मैंने अनाउंस कर दिया तो
With respect to the
पहला
president.
पॉइंट है जो जबरदस्ती उसको झूठ मार के एसटी दिलाता है,
President,
जो अरुणाचली से होके भी
President Anya,
अरुणाचल का रास्ता
President also,
बर्बाद करने के लिए झूठ मार के किसी और को आउटसाइड को एसटी दिलाते हैं, उसको एक्शन लेने के लिए कानून बनना चाहिए।
representative from
सेकेंड
Rajasthan
जो है
University.
एसटी जो ले चुका है उसको जो अगर कोई कंप्लेन करता है तो उसको वेरीफाई करने का उसको कैंसिल करना चाहिए।
Students from
और ताज जो है जो एसटी देने के लिए फॉर्मूला बनाना चाहिए, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग से एसटी देने वाला फॉर्मूला को जो है और थोड़ा बदलना चाहिए, ये पॉलिसी में एडम। फोर्थ पॉइंट जो है जो एडप्शन है, क्योंकि वी आर दी कॉस्टलेस सोसाइटी, हम लोग जो पैटर्न से चलते हैं और हम लोग कोई हिंदू में नहीं है, हम लोग कोई मुस्लिम में नहीं है और हम लोग ट्राइबल स्टेट है, हम लोग एडप्शन का कोई ऐसे पॉलिसी नहीं है। आई मीन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से भी अरुणाचल में एडप्शन को भी एलो नहीं करता है। और एसटी बाय बर्थ जो आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया बोलता है कि एसटी जो है पिताजी का ब्लड से ही जाना पड़ेगा, एसटी जो एडप्शन वाला भी नहीं दे सकता, इसलिए एडप्शन प्रति को भी लॉ बनाना चाहिए। हाँ, उसको बच्चा हिसाब से कोई अगर प्यार करता है तो आप उसको फैसिलिटी दो आप, लेकिन उसको जाति नहीं बना सकता है, एसटी नहीं दिला सकता है। ये हम लोग 4 पॉइंट है और बाकी वो लोग क्या इश्यू लोग क्या हिसाब से बाद में हम लोग को बताएगा, देखा जाएगा आंतरिक मीटिंग में। हाँ, मुझे रिसेंटली कमिश्नर से एक ये आया था, नोटिफिकेशन आया था, मैंने उसको सर्कुलेट नहीं किया है। इसमें 2 पॉइंट का क्लियर किया कि चर्चा करेगा, लेकिन वहाँ में जो है जो झूठ मार के एसटी देता है, एग्जाम्पल मान लो जो है सीओ जो एसटी देता है वो जानता है, लेकिन झूठ मार के वो एसटी दे देता है, और या किसी का नॉन अरुणाचली फादर बन के झूठ मार के एसटी दिलाता है उसके लिए। और एडॉप्शन का वह ये नहीं किया गया, मेंशन नहीं किया गया, और परमानेंट प्रॉपर्टी का मेंशन नहीं किया गया। ये दो को भी मेंशन करे तब हम मानेगा।
8 तारीख तक अगर फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड ड्राफ्ट नहीं बनता है तो आपसू का नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या रहेगा?
देखो, डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में हम लोग बैठ रहे हैं, तो हम लोग कोई कम्युनिस्ट कंट्री में नहीं है, लेकिन डेमोक्रेसी का जो प्रचार करना चाहिए हम लोग ने आज शुरुआत किया है। और नेक्स्ट में हम लोग रेफरेंडम रैली करेगा ना, हम लोग हड़ताल में जाएगा, वो आपसे एजुकेटिव डिसाइड करेगा, ये समय का बात है।
I am with the members of Arunachal Pradesh Student Unions, General Secretary Tobom Dai, and also the President of the Women Wing. Let's know about their opinion on the offspring draft issue. Sir, as it's been 2 years that the APSU has been demanding to publish a proposed draft on the offspring issue. What do you have to comment on this? As we have also asked the Law Minister Kiran Rijiju sir, that he said that he will act upon protecting the rights of the Arunachal Pradesh.
You see, at the outset, this issue, the issue today, because it has taken such a long time, it's been overdue. It's, as you have correctly pointed out, it has been almost 2 years now. This meeting was firstly initiated by a consultative meeting by APSU, where more than 50 organizations from community-based organizations of the state took part, and they have endorsed APSU to take up the issue with the state government. And we have accordingly submitted representation and has met up with the Honorable Chief Minister 2-3 times. And after consistent persuasion, he finally constituted this Joint High Power Committee under the chairmanship of Honorable Minister Sri Alo Libangji and the Member Secretary Madam Niharika Rai. And this committee is comprising of so many MLAs, and even the Arunachal Pradesh Women Commission is also a member of this committee, and APSU is an special invitee because we are the prime mover. We have already had 4 sittings, but unfortunately, even the preliminary draft proposal is yet to see the light of the day. So we are demanding, and then time and again we have been in our own individual capacity also met up with the concerned minister and also the member secretary to bring out give us the draft proposal. But unfortunately, it has taken more than almost 2 years, but nothing is coming forth. So ultimately, we have to today hit the street in the form of a rally, and our DSUs, the federating units of APSU, is organizing sit-in protest across the state in the respective premises of Deputy Commissioner. So this is an act of the government must make it as an urgency that this draft proposal should be brought out. They cannot keep on going with this dilly-dallying tactics.
As you have already mentioned in your speeches that 8 October will be a meeting will be held. So what's the issue on it? If there is a meeting on 8 October, why the APSU, why the union is organizing a protest here?
You see, as I have told earlier, that we had already a port sitting. After the port sitting, because nothing was forthcoming, the President APSU has given 2 weeks ultimatum. The committee chairman, the Honorable Minister and the Madam Niharika Rai, they assured us that within 2 weeks the draft will be ready. And on 29th September, a meeting was called. But without assigning any region, on the 11th, the meeting was cancelled. On of 29, and again a notification issued that meeting will be conducted on 1st October, 1st October. But again, without assigning any region, they have cancelled it. And then now they are telling that the meeting will be fixed on 8th October. And accordingly, a circular notification has been given out. But what we feel is that this careless attitude, because you keep on changing the dates without assigning any reason, it amply reflects the insincere attitude of the government and the committee. So, because this is a peaceful rally and this is a peaceful sit-in protest across the state, you can consider it as the first step of the APSU to bring attention of the government. We could have waited for 8 October also, but the way from the very beginning the things are going on, because we are inside the committee, we are seeing the behavior of the committee members of the authorities. So today's this one, we could have waited for 8 October also, but because as I've said, we have seen their activities, their behavior. Today we are organizing this protest rally to just tell them that this careless attitude will not be tolerated from here on.
So, as per the reports, the state government has repeatedly said that they will be working on the interest of the Arunachal Pradesh people. They will be protecting the Arunachal Pradesh people rights. So, don't you think the government will act upon this offspring issue?
You see, just merely giving out statements. Many times we have seen that most of the times, 90% of the statements are political in nature. They give out a statement that they will do this and that, but in the practical, nothing is being followed up. So we are expecting that, and we are rigorously pursuing this very one particular matter because we feel this offspring issue is a very sensitive issue. This is an issue that is imploding from the within. It's not from the attack is from the outside. It is from the within. ये जो मामा भांजा जो issues है, तो we are very serious on this issue, and the government should also reciprocate. They should gauge the pulse of the APSU and pulse of the people, their feelings. So we cannot merely always believe on this one statement. They have to walk the talk. They simply cannot keep on giving assurances and giving statements.
So let us know from the former General Secretary what is his opinion on it, since the APSU is going for this proposed draft since 2 years. So आपका टेन्योर में वो 2 साल पे, जब आपके टेन्योर में था ये ड्राफ्ट इशू, ये जो इशू है ऑफस्प्रिंग इशू को क्यों नहीं लाया गया है?
You see, this issue actually, this issue is not like suddenly that APSU has taken up. But this issue has been going on in the minds of every Arunachali for a long time. And of course, it is very unfortunate that during our tenure we could not pick up this issue because our tenure was already marked with so many court cases, like court case against the APSU. Then again, the Chakma Ajong, the court had given the verdict during our tenure. So in all these issues, we could not take up this issue, and we had a tenure of only 3 years. So basically, yeah, I would say that it is unfortunate that we could not take up this issue, and it is also fortunate that this tenure they have taken up this issue. And I think today I am also participating here not only as a former General Secretary but as an Arunachali, because it is in the minds of every Arunachali that this issue is for the interest, for the greater interest of Arunachal Pradesh. It is not only for 1 or 2%. It is to protect the rights of the indigenous people. It is to protect the children of the future. Because if today we do not go ahead with this issue, then I think Arunachal will cease to exist in the true spirit of the tribal status, because there will be complete dilution, and this is something which is not acceptable for all of us. And I believe whatever this tenure they are doing, they are going ahead with this issue. So we have come here to give our solidarity and our support to them.
So let us move on with the women wing president of APSU. Ma'am, what do you have to say on this offspring issue, since you are also a woman? And ये मैटर जो है वो APSC वुमेन एंड नॉन APSC फादर्स के लिए इशू दिया गया है. So as a woman, what would you like to say?
सबसे पहले तो ये बात जो है कि सिर्फ वुमेन का केस नहीं है, ये पूरा अरुणाचली का केस है. और हम तो आज यहाँ एज जो भैया बोला है, एज APSU लीडरशिप ज्वाइन नहीं किया, एज अरुणाचली भी ज्वाइन किया. ये हर किसी का सेंटिमेंट में है जो मतलब दिल से खुद को यहाँ का इंडिजीनियस मानता है. तो मेरा एक मैसेज रहेगा जो हमारा सिस्टर्स लोग है, जो बड़ा छोटा जो भी है, और स्पेशली जो अभी शादी नहीं हुआ है, कि आप लोग जो शादी करना हम लोग का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप जिसको पसंद है आप शादी कर सकते हैं, बट शादी करने का बाद उसका बाद जो है अपना सरनेम जो आप जो डाइल्यूट नहीं करना है, जो अपना बच्चा को आपका जो हस्बैंड है उसको आप रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए ऑनरेबली आपका जो हस्बैंड का जो है सरनेम दीजिए. यहाँ आप रह सकता है, काम कर सकता है, बिजनेस कर सकता है, बट यहाँ जो हमारा भाई लोग है, हमारा जो भाई भैया है, उसका ज़मीन को हम लोग शेयर नहीं कर सकते. जैसे हम लोग ट्राइबल सोसाइटी में भी जब हम लोग शादी करते हैं, जैसे हम खुद भी कभी दिन शादी करें तो ऑब्वियसली हम मेरा पति का सरनेम लेगा, मेरा बच्चा को भी पति का सरनेम देगा. तो जब हमारा ट्राइबल में भी ये कल्चर प्रैक्टिस करता है, तो बाहर से जब नॉन ट्राइबल आता है तो हम लोग को यहाँ वैसे भी यहाँ लैंड राइट तो नहीं देता है, तो शेयर करना ऑब्वियसली ये हमारा सेंटिमेंट का खिलाफ है. और एक बात ये है कि मतलब जो ये निहारिका राय है, वो एक औरत जो इतना सारा पोस्ट होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है, इतना की पोस्ट 5 पोस्ट होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है. ये हम गवर्नमेंट से बोलना चाहेगा कि आप जो है कि ऐसे इतना इम्पोर्टेंट इशू में जहाँ इतना इम्पोर्टेंट इशू होता है वो ऐसे में ऑफिसर्स जो है अब आईएएस को प्रेफर नहीं करके हमारा जो एपीसीएस है अगर वो प्रेफर करेगा तो शायद एपीसीएस जो हमारा जो ट्राइबल का सेंटीमेंट है उसको लेके शायद ज़्यादा ईमानदारी से काम करेगा और मतलब सख्ती से फेंच आएगा लॉस बनाने के लिए। और हमारा डिमांड इतना साल से हम लोग के इशू को टेकअप कर रहा है, आज तक पूरा नहीं हुआ है, एक्सटेंड करते जा रहे हैं। तो उसी को लेके आज हम लोग यहाँ मतलब अपना एग्रेशन दिखाने के लिए आया। थैंक यू सो मच।
So as it is already a statewide protest rally, so what is the purpose for the statewide protest rally? All the student unions from other districts has been sitting on a dharna in the DC office. So what is the purpose of the statewide protest rally?
The purpose of the meeting is very clear and simple. That the state government have to open their eyes and ears and be sensitive to the demand of APSU and the demand of the indigenous people of the state on this very particular and this very sensitive issue. Because as I have said earlier, that this dilly-dallying tactics we won't be tolerating anymore, and they have to walk their talks. Mere political statement, mere giving out mere statement that they will be protecting the people of indigenous people rights. Just mere statement, token statement will not be tolerated. This is the first phase, and you can very well assume this is the precursors for the coming time, for the further phases of the democratic movement. APSU may launch if the state government doesn't yield and state government doesn't reciprocate to today's this one peaceful rally in the state capital and the sit-in protest across the state. So basically what I've said is that the sit-in protest across the district and the protest rally here is a clear message to the state government that that dilly-dallying tactics will not be tolerated anymore.
So lastly, the APSU has also demanded to take legal punishment for the officers who have issued APC certificates to the children of the APC mothers and non-APC fathers' children. So what would you like to comment on it?
You see, on this regard, you see, because of the lack of any concrete law, concrete act in the state, so many issues like that. What we have said about the cancelling, about punishing the officials that have already given ST certificates to so many offspring born out of non-tribal fathers in a fraudulent way. But because of the lack of any concrete law and any act, there is lots of difficulty in handing out punishment. So that's why we are demanding in all urgency about to bring out this act, bring out the law, so that in future any individual can challenge any fraudulent means adopted by any authorities at the district level or even at the village level.
मैं हम लोग यहाँ टीम अन्या से बन के नहीं आया हूँ, एज ए अरुणाचली। तो ये APSU का जो इशू का रैली है, जो धरना है, तो हम लोग इसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आया है जो एज ए अरुणाचली। तो यहाँ में जो देखा उसका जो हम लोग का जो डिमांड है, APSU का जो डिमांड है रिगार्डिंग स्पेयरिंग को लेकर, तो हम बस क्लियर का सब मैसेज हम टीम अन्या हम लोग मैसेज देने के लिए आया है कि हम लोग इसको टोटली हम लोग अगेंस्ट करता है। और जो यहाँ में नेम ऑफ द एसटी जो नॉन एपीएसटी है, जो ऑलरेडी जो चला उनका जो बच्चा लोग है या ट्राइबल राइट को एसटी को अपॉर्चुनिटी तो मिल रहा है, तो हम लोग ये मांग करता है कि इसको इमीडिएटली इसको एसटी को कैंसिल करिए। उसका बाद में और यहाँ में लोग ऐसा है, काफी सारा लोग यहाँ में ऐसा है कि यहाँ में भी एसटी बनाता है, आसाम में भी बनाता है, पंजाब में भी है, तो काफी सारा है। तो हम लोग यहाँ में मांग इसलिए किया है कि इसको इमीडिएटली जो नॉन एपीएसटी जो लैंड अलॉटमेंट जो लिया है उनको भी इमीडिएटली कैंसिल करने से लैंड अलॉटमेंट कैंसिल करना है उनके हम